Is this recipe the best cure ever? We're curing salmon today. And sadness.
Ba 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 ba. Leo cooks things. I cook things.
Dr. Love. Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cure salmon, aka gravlax. Salmon, salmon. Let's get to it. Salmon. If Lord of the Rings took place underwater, the big threat would have been Salmon. You Salmon pass! We're going to start off with about a teaspoon of juniper berries that we're going to crush. Like our dreams. Smells like gin. If you can't find juniper berries, feel free to use Jupiter berries instead. I hear they're out of this world.
You're out of this world!
Put that to the side. Half a cup of kosher salt. Half a cup of sugar. Sugar and salt goes into a bowl. I'm also gonna put in those juniper berries. Junipy berries. You smell delightful. Dill, it's dill. About a tablespoon of chopped fresh dill. That goes in. What's Nos's favorite herb? Dillmatic. Got yourself a gun. Now give it a little mix to get all the herbals. That will be our dry cure. Gravlax, let's do it. Come down to it. Shut up. Why does Harry Potter like gin so much? Because it's very ginny. Those two fucked. 2 tablespoons of gin. I'm also gonna do 2 tbsps of honey. Do you know what bees use to brush their hair? Honeycombs. 2 tablespoons of grain mustard. How grainy, you ask? About as grainy as 1990s student films. Get yourself a dish. Gonna line this with a bit of plaster wrap. Make sure you get high quality salmon because, well, I mean, that's a good rule for anything, really. We're gonna use about like 600 or 700 grams of salmon. Then we're gonna take our wet cure part thing, a little coverage of cure. Give it a thorough coating. Thorocoting. Now we're gonna take our dry mixture and just start covering that salmon. What's the salmon's favorite band? The Cure. Make sure it's all covered everywhere. Now close that plastic wrap. Perfect parcel of salmon. Oh, that's heavy. Then we put this in the fridge for 36 hours. While we wait 36 hours for that, let's prep our spread. A spread? We're gonna start off with some hard-boiled eggs. We don't need the eggshells. Heroes on the half shell. Oh, whoa. You tried to get away from me, didn't you? So we're gonna put the egg yolks in a bowl. I wanted to say something funny about these eggs, but I couldn't come up with a good yolk. Chop up all your egg whites. Sometimes you just gotta avocado it yourself. I'm gonna do like half an avocado here, 2 big tablespoons of creme fraiche. I'm also gonna do about a teaspoon of horseradish, pinch of salt, a little dusting of chili powder, pinch of garlic powder, woo! A little fraiche, little bit of olive oil. We're matching. And a little bit of hot sauce. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Now mash it all together real nice. He did the mash. He did the monster mash. Now add in your egg white things. Now we're gonna fold in those egg whites. And 36 hours later in movie time, you have this. After you take it out of the fridge, you're gonna rinse off all the cure and you'll be left with this. And we're gonna do these little tiny slices and see what's going on. You know, that's perfect. I'm gonna do some thin slices here, but feel free to do as much. A little pile of gravlax. We're gonna get a little bit of bread. Toast your bread. Guess it's time to pull out the sexy plates. We're gonna start off with our egg mixture on top here. A little gochugaru on top. Now we're gonna put on that cured salmon on top. A little bit of fresh dill on top. A little bit of honey on top. Finishing salt to finish it off. And a couple flowers. Gravlax, I'm gonna eat you now. Come on, that's awesome. You know, it takes a bit of effort, but it's so worth it. It's so worth it. Oh, good. I love you. Salmon's good. I love salmon. Okay. This just really works. Bye, friends.